Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the center console in a Nissan Pathfinder. First, let's prepare by gathering a few essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a non-marring trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the parking brake engaged. Also, move both front seats completely forward to give yourself ample working space. Now, let's begin by carefully detaching the trim pieces. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry up the panel around the gear shifter. Once that's loose, firmly pull the gear shift knob straight upward to remove it. Next, look for any cup holder trim. These are usually held by spring clips and can be carefully popped off. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic. With the trim removed, it's time to unsecure the console. You will typically find 2 Phillips head screws just behind where the shifter trim was located. Next, look for more screws at the very front of the console, often beneath the dashboard area. Finally, move to the rear of the console. Here, you will usually find 2 or 4 bolts or screws attaching it to the floor. With all fasteners removed, you can now carefully lift the entire center console assembly. As you lift, be mindful of any electrical connectors underneath. These typically power outlets, auxiliary inputs, or rear climate controls. Gently disconnect each harness. Double-check that no wires are snagged or stretched before completely removing the console from your Nissan Pathfinder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.